Hey everybody, it's Bobby again. So I had this thing, and I've been meaning to talk about this. So there are these two guys. We're kind of okay. First, I'm gonna say this: we're kind of hesitant to speak upon exactly where we are, just because we're worried about stalkers. I guess I don't know, because I'm so damn pretty. Somebody might want to come in my house and take my virginity. I don't know. So, anyway, I was just thinking about how sometimes we're afraid to speak about those things. But I saw on the news, I don't know, maybe a year ago or so, there's these two guys. And they are from Gary, Indiana. And they do reaction videos to music. And when I found out that these two kids, they're like in their 20s, I call them kids, though I'm 45, so I'm at that age where I can start calling people kids, grown people kids. Anyway, so they do these reaction videos, listening to music that, if they're black and you're around this age, your mama and daddy had y'all listening to the music that they pretty much, well, maybe not so, kind of grew up on, or at least the kind of stuff that was like baby making music. So you know what kind of song that you, God forbid, you find out what song you were conceived. Anyway, they listen to stuff like that, like the Isley Brothers and just little things, just stuff like that. And these are things that I haven't even, we lived in California for, my son was born and raised in California until he was 13. And I listened to alternative and like smooth jazz and stuff and house music. And my son wasn't raised on good old R&B and all that good stuff. Anyway, I think that this is probably going off the point. But anyway, these guys, their videos get a lot of views, and because everybody know they're from Gary, Indiana, and it made me proud, right? So I went ahead and I decided to go ahead and let you guys know that my home is in Gary, Indiana. So there's a lady here who gardens, and I think I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry if you ever come across this video, but I think it's Asia Yasir. It's like Ajayasir. So you should look her up. She's doing her own like urban gardening. She turned her whole front and her backyard. It's all covered with wood chips and everything. I still haven't been over there, but there are court cases against her because people here don't understand. They're saying that things live in the wood chips. Well, good stuff live in wood chips, but people like that, there are people like that here that just don't understand the basics of natural organic gardening. And so I want to show, if there's anybody out here in Gary, you can do so much stuff with your yard. We all pretty much have yards. Everybody's pretty much living mostly in houses out here. If you have a yard, honey, you can do all kind of stuff. And I just want to be encouraging to those people. So from now on, I will label my videos Gary, Indiana, so you guys know where I am. I want to inspire people. Like, I'm in zone 5. There are things that you can do. You can garden throughout the winter time here. I have done it. My stuff grows really slow because we don't know much about what we're doing, the three of us. And we're just showing you all our mistakes and all the stuff like that. So I want to inspire somebody anywhere, any black folks that feel like they don't know what they're doing. We want to show you that we're stumbling also. And I'm saying where I live because I want my hometown to feel that I want these people here to see that they can stumble through a garden, and you have beautiful soil here. I keep looking at my yard while I'm talking this. You have beautiful soil here. So, like in California, all these videos you see for California, and people are like, oh, the gardening videos are mostly for California, and they're like, oh, it's beautiful all year round, which it is, but those guys would give anything to have the soil that we have out here. Just, we have a limited gardening time unless we know we're those experts to garden in the wintertime. But I guess my real point is that even though, like, we want black people to migrate to our channel anyway, because it doesn't seem like it doesn't seem like there's a lot of us, but there is. But we want to get more of you out. And I live in a primarily black town, and these people need to learn to be proud of where they are. I'm gonna inspire some people, and I hope that I really enjoy doing this, and just because I'm having so much fun. It's not about monetizing a channel or anything like that. I just want to share, and I absolutely love it. And again, I want people to know where I'm from, and I want the people that are from here to feel inspired. So I think that's about it. If I remember, I might even go back and label all my old ones Gary, Indiana, but y'all know I'm lazy. I won't even learn how to edit. So if anybody in Gary know how to edit, y'all drop a line down there and let me know. We might meet up and y'all can show me what to do. All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. And that's pretty much it. Love you all.
We gonna see what happens. Gotta say that. Bye.